So we are going to solve this one. So we need to get k, value of k. So for that we know summation of I equal to 1 to n, pi is equal to 1, means sum of all this probability is 1. So what we have to do here, sum of all this we will find out. We will add this all together, equate that to 1, and then you will get an equation, a quadratic equation you will get, and then you can find the value of k. So for that I am adding all this one, that is k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus k square plus k plus 2k square plus 4k square. Just add all that probabilities, that is equal to 1. Now when you add this one, here 1k square, 2k square, 4k square. So 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8k square plus 3k plus 2k 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, that is 7k equal to 1, or this is equal to 8k square plus 7k minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore on solving this one we are getting k is equal to 1 minus 1 and 1 by 8. Okay, so minus 1 and 1 by 8 you are getting. Then here I can choose only one value. Which can be that value? Means here only one value is one value of k is a valid value. Can you say which one is the valid one? Here value of k equal to 1 by 8 is the valid value, because we know that is this k is probability. Okay, so that k is the probability, means p of x equal to x is given in terms of k, and that k is a probability, so it cannot be negative. Therefore the value of k is equal to 1 by 8 here. Now we have to find here probability that x is less than 5. So probability that x is less than 5 means x takes values from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7. X is less than 5 means up to 4. Okay, so that means probability that x equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that will be equal to, now probability that x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to probability that what we have to do is, we will take each probability separately and then find the sum of all this. X of 3 plus p of x equal to 4. So when you substitute this p of x equal to 1, it is means p of x equal to 1 means when x is equal to 1, here corresponding value is 1 by 8. Plus p of x equal to 2 means when it is 2, it is 2 by 8. X equal to 3, here 3, so 3 by 8. Plus p of x equal to 4 means 1 upon 64. So on simplifying this one, we will get, so on simplifying you will get this as 49 upon 64. Okay, always check whether this is less than 1 or not. So that is a technique to identify whether your answer is right or wrong. If it is more than 1 means we have done mistake somewhere. Okay, so that is p of x is less than 5. Now the second part is p of x is greater than 5. P of x is greater than 5. In the question we can see greater than 5. See here it is less than 5 and it is greater than 5. Greater than 5 means more than 5. More than 5 means it is 6 and 7. Now suppose it was here x is less than or equal to 5. If less than or equal to 5, then you will take this 5 also. Or similarly if it is greater than or equal to 5, then that 5 also will be considered. But here it is just asked less than or greater than. Okay, so p of x greater than 5 means that will be probability that x is equal to 6 and x equal to 7. So that is p of x equal to 6 plus p of x equal to 7, which is equal to, x equal to 6 means it is 2 by 64 plus 4 by 64. Okay, so that is 6 and 7, that means 6 upon 64, or we can simplify and 3 by 32.